I've been waiting all night.
Guys, we are literally about to check out from S Hotel. Our time in S Hotel has come to an end, sadly. But we are heading to but we are heading to Negril, which I'm very excited about. So that's a different parish here in Jamaica. They don't call them towns or cities, they call them parishes. So we are going to Negril for the next 2 days. And according to my brother, the water in Negril is bluer than the water here in Montego Bay, which I'm very excited about because the water here has been beautiful. But I'm very, very excited to see what we get up to in Negril. We are going to be checking into a different resort in Negril, and I'm very, very excited, guys. But for now, we are about to check out from here. Our time here has been beautiful, guys. I loved it so much. Thank you so much. We had such a good time. Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you. I'm going to miss this place. Really going to miss this place. I loved it. Thank you, S Hotel, for being so nice. Thank you for being so nice. Hi, Tigo. How are you?
Not bad.
This fruit is called guinea, right? Guinea. And it looks like grapes, but the back is not edible. So it's just inside the seed and the flesh around it, but it's really nice. It's here too.
And I watch it.
But it was only Nigeria.
75.
That's crazy.
The Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again. No. Everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah.
Definitely reminding me of Nigeria. Like this is the Niger part of Jamaica. Lucy Town, you said? Lucy Town. This one at Niger now. This one at Niger. Oh my god. Looks very, very Nigerian.
Keep us safe. Baby, you're keeping us safe.
So we just stopped over somewhere to grab some food before we continue our drive. How beautiful is this, guys? It's gorgeous. Oh, this country is beautiful, guys. What? It's almost unreal how beautiful this country is. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Be careful, my boy. Careful. Yep.
That's one with the sauce.
Ooh.
Cheers, Dragon Style. Cheers to Jamaica.
Drink. Thank you. Wow.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Yeah, that's very hot sauce, so you gotta be careful.
I know you like hot
You
sauce.
gotta tread carefully with that.
This looks so good. I don't even want to eat it. That's how good it looks. Like, I don't even want to eat it. Oh my god.
Hotels are all inclusive. The Sanders, the Rio, and the Swept Away. Everything else is like bed and breakfast. So a lot of pan chicken man out on the roadside every night. You will see it tonight with the jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Wait, which stuff, right?
No man, in the grill and on the stretch.
That's actually very good. Ketchup for the jerk.
Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh. Promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rat.
We are here in Negril. Let's take pictures here. To Negril. Hey. Oh, so many nice stuff.
These are my people. You give them treat them good, okay?
Yes. Yeah. But is it thick? It's so hot though. I really hope this fits.
It will.
Nice. Thank you,
It's
Anita.
a pleasure.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
Oh, lovely. Oh, wow. These are beautiful. Oh, the colors. Wow.
Got a friend of me. No.
Stunning. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my goodness. What? It's beautiful. Ah, is that mine? Thank you. Thank you so much. Ooh, guys. Spoilage already. Oh my world. I don't even know which is better now. S Hotel at Montego Bay or this beautiful place right now at Negril. Wow.
Friend of me. No. Baby, you mean more to me. More to me.
This is massive. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Wow. This is gorgeous, you guys. What? This is a massive resort. This is so nice. Guys, we've been walking and walking and walking, and we are still not at our room yet. This place is huge. So big. Big. Wow. Look at that, guys. Gorgeous. Thank you so much. Wow.
Yes, sir.
This is pretty. A whole ass balcony.
And it's not even far to the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to break the swim up. So make it just come like this. I want to break the swim up.
Which one is the swim off?
The swim up.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
pretty.
That's the beach right there.
Wow.
This is so good.
Gorgeous.
Thank you.
Thank you. Beautiful, beautiful room, you guys. Bathroom is so nice. I really, really like the bathroom, you guys. If you guys can see.
This is big, Mama.
Yeah,
This
it's
is
really
what
big.
we want from that place.
It's big. Look at this, guys. Lovely. It smells so good in here as well. Very big closet space. There's a coffee section here. More closet space here. Very nice. This balcony is so beautiful, God. Ah! Jamaica, you guys are killing me. Oh, we are right next to the beach, right there. And we've got like pools all over, literally all over. This is so nice. At this place called Rick's Cafe. We just got here. Oh wow.
Yeah. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, the first person to step over to the dance floor.
Hey. He did it. Good morning, guys, from Negril, Jamaica. This is my hair bonnet. I'm looking like, I don't even know what I'm looking like right now. But, guys, we got into Negril yesterday. You guys should have seen everything that we got up to yesterday in Negril, from Rick's Cafe, all the enjoyment and all of that. We're not even there for that long, to be honest, but the little time that we spent at Rick's Cafe was amazing. The vibe in Jamaica is so good. Like, you guys have absolutely no idea. It is so good. We were actually meant to go out last night. We were meant to go to like a proper bashment party, but we were so tired, you guys. Like, my brother just laid on the bed and I called the reception to try to get us a taxi because the place we wanted to go to was like a few blocks away, and they said they would get back to us, but they never did. So we just slept because, to be very honest, we were tired, okay? We were really tired. But you guys, when I tell you that this resort that we're staying now is called Azul Beach Resort in Negril, I thought that S Hotel in Montego Bay was amazing, which it is amazing. But this one is triple amazing, you guys. The view from this balcony, you guys, I think I showed you guys already yesterday, but it's past 7 a.m. right now. Like, look at this view. That's the beach over there. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna go down to the beach right now and see what's going on because the sun is gonna get crazy in a couple of hours. So before the sun gets crazy, I'm gonna go down there and just see what it looks like very quickly before we have breakfast. So I'm gonna go down there. My brother is already down at the beach. You guys trust him. He's already by the beach. I'm gonna go down there, see what's going on. Then we're gonna have breakfast. And then we'll go back again to the beach. I think I'll show you guys breakfast when we do get breakfast. But guys, let me tell you guys, the food at S Hotel was okay, right? It was nice. But we had dinner here for the first time yesterday night. The food here. Hey! Jamaican cuisine here. The oxtail, the jack pork, the jack chicken, everything was a banger. Like, the food, I think that's one of the reasons why we didn't even go out last night, because we were stuffed. You guys should please help me. Pray for me because I don't know what to do. In between the food I'm eating in America and the food I'm eating in Jamaica, by the time I come back now, I don't know. You should just pray for me. Help me. Pray for me. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best to resist temptation. I'm trying my best to cut and eat in moderation. But people should help me because the food is so good here. What? Mad.
Inclusive awards.
I don't even know. Maybe. You guys, this place is beautiful. Okay? Very beautiful. Oh my God. We have like, our side is all the way over there. But we're headed to breakfast, you guys. Breakfast first, okay? Just exploring this beautiful resort and just keep finding cute spots in this place. How beautiful is this? There's something that this blue water is doing to me. I thought the water was blue in Montego Bay, but the water is bluer here in Negril. Oh my goodness, I cannot get enough. I cannot get enough, guys. What is this beauty? Wow. I want to have omelets today, like a proper custom omelette. So I already picked my ingredients and stuff. And mommy's making my omelets for me. Thank you. Chucky of Jamaica. Let's go.
That's good.
Guys, this looks so good. Can't wait to taste this omelette. Looks so nice. Alright guys, so we came back to get shower and get dressed because we have a catamaran boat booked, a party boat. Okay, I really wanted to do that, so yeah, I'm so happy that I get to do that. We leave in another 1 hour, but we are all dressed. I didn't show you guys my outfit though. Hey, only people on Instagram would have seen my outfit though, but we shall see. Ooh, child. You guys are not ready.
Me out to a boat party.
I have no makeup on. I just have lipstick and lashes on. That's all. Because the heat, it's not smiling with any boat. Okay? You guys, that's our boat. That is our boat, guys.
Alright, nothing boring, you gonna keep the energy flowing, alright? So guys, without no further ado, we gonna give it up for the captain of this afternoon. Come on, show some love for Captain Alvin. Yeah man, and we got our lifeguard / navigation team in the building. Come on, show some love for Mr. Lennox.
Well baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you wanna have one, yeah. You with the hottest under the sun, but be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for, fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required, 'cause look at what I'm getting.
TikTok like a TikTok.
Do we really ready? Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one.
To make the big jump, it's all about the man spider right now. To make the big jump right.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, so after 5, we gotta do the big jump.
That's high.
And it's gonna make the big jump.
That's high.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
That's what I'm talking about.
You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real.
Everybody feel the mood and they back fit. Our Facebook
Someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready.
The streets of Jamaica. Yeah. Trying to get some jerk chicken on the road. No, thank you. Yeah, we're gonna have that, guys. Lovely. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. My Olga.
Yeah, the mystic one.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Respect.
Thank you. So we just got back from getting jerk chicken. And what did you call this bread, Chu?
Hajo.
Hajo.
No hajo.
What? What did
Hard dough.
Hard dough.
Hard dough.
Oh, hard dough bread.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. With some jerk chicken. We already had dinner in the resort, but the resort dinner tonight was a la carte, and the portion was not given. So we went out to get some jerk chicken to fill our bellies. And I believe this is going to be very tasty. Just gonna eat this and call it a night, all right?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. Still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time.
Guys, we are leaving this beautiful resort today, and I just thought to come out and enjoy the sunrise here. I have enjoyed staying in this beautiful resort. It's amazing how big it is because it spans down all the way there, and it spans down all the way there. This is my own building. My room is in there somewhere, but it spans down all the way there and all the way at the back. It's a massive, massive, massive resort. But I've really, really enjoyed staying here. I cannot believe we're leaving Jamaica today. Oh my God. But we have had such a great time, right? Mayoga? Shibi?
we had an amazing, awesome time.
Yes, we did. We did. An amazing sibling bonding time. Very, very, very important.
Much needed.
Very, very, very important. But guys, this has been so beautiful. This has been so beautiful. I'm going to miss this beautiful view. I'm going to miss this water so much. Guys, just going to take a shower, pack up, and get ready to head back to Montego Bay, where we're going to catch our flight back to the US. Our flight is for 2:30 p.m. So we are hoping we get to Montego Bay, early enough. Guys, I forgot my trainers. I forgot my trainers in the hotel at Montego Bay. So we have to pass through that hotel so I can get my trainers because I forgot it in the closet. I didn't realize until just last night. And I'm thankful I realized because I'm going to have to get dressed for the airport. And then I just realized, oh my God, where are my trainers? Because I didn't wear my trainers to come down here to Negril. So yeah, we're going to have to pass through that hotel and grab my trainers. I'm sure it's under lost and found by now or something. Oh my God, guys, Jamaica has been so beautiful. Jamaica has given me everything. Jamaica owes me nothing. I have had such a great time. You guys, there are cats everywhere. There are cats everywhere in this resort. Like so many cats. Oh my God. God bless this beautiful country. God bless this beautiful, beautiful country. I will be back very, very soon for sure. Like there are other parishes I didn't go to. Ochorio. Where again? Is it Ochorio or Ochorios? Oh, Ochorios. Okay, yeah. So I didn't go to Ochorios. I'd love to do that when I come next time. And a couple of more places as well. But so far, this has been an amazing, amazing experience. Especially yesterday on that party boat right there. We had a blast. Oh my God. You guys, we're going I don't want to go. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave Jamaica. Oh my God, we're going, guys.
That's the day the sun is coming out more.
And today is very sunny and the sea is so blue. Nice. See what we are leaving behind.
You know, you can just take it to Nigeria. And just...
Like I just want to carry the water and be going with me. Bye. Aww. Goodbye.
Playing it all this while though.
It builds just like Nigerians.
I mean, they are Nigerians.
The concretes like us. Concrete homes.
Yeah, we'll give Tigo. Yeah, I see Tigo. We'll give Tigo a Nigerian name.
Yeah.
What should we give him? Chibuzo. or Chibuike.
What do we give Tigo?
Azubike.
Azubike. Yes, let's give Tigo Azubike. Tigo, that's your Nigerian name.
Yeah.
It's from the Igbo speaking part of Nigeria. Azubike. So anybody that asks you what's your Nigerian name, you just say Azubike. Oh my goodness.
You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't want to lose what we had. I feel it right, and I'm tired of
Yeah, my brother. What's your one buy? You still want to get the stuff? Yeah? Okay.
Come to Jamaica and not buy the Irish
Like their rum cream,
It's
right?
very, very nice. Whiskey boy right there.
So my God. Hey, Bob.
I don't know.
Just look at this. Like that's insane. What?
So I'm here tonight.